In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Huntington Bank online account. This is an essential skill to manage your finances conveniently from any device with internet access. Let's break it down into straightforward, easy to follow steps. Firstly, you'll want to open your internet browser of choice. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another, ensure that you have a secure internet connection for a smoother and safer experience. Once you've opened your browser, navigate to Huntington Bank's official website. You can do this by typing Huntington Bank into your search engine, or if you know the URL, you can type it directly into the address bar. Upon reaching the Huntington Bank homepage, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the Login button. Give it a click. This will take you to the login page, where you will provide your credentials. Now it's time for the first piece of information, your username. Carefully enter your username in the designated field. This is the unique identifier that you selected during your account setup. If you're having trouble remembering your username, check any records or communications from Huntington Bank, as they often have reminders or recovery options. Next, move on to entering your password. As you type your password into the corresponding field, make sure that you've turned off any caps lock features and double check for any typos or mistakes, as most passwords are case sensitive. Your password should be a secure mix of numbers, letters, and special characters for optimal security. So far so good. Now proceed by clicking the Login button once again to continue the process. At this point, some of you may encounter an additional layer of security, multi-factor authentication. If this is the case, don't worry, it's there to protect your account. A one-time code will be sent to your phone or your email. Check either platform promptly to retrieve the code and then enter it into the field provided on the login page. And voila! You should now be successfully logged into your Huntington Bank online account. From here, you can navigate through the platform to check your balance, make transactions, and more, putting your financial management right at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me today in learning how to securely access your Huntington Bank online account. Implement these steps each time you want to log in, ensuring you follow any security prompts to keep your account safe. If you have any questions or run into issues, Huntington Bank's customer support team is available to assist. Have a great day managing your finances with ease.